Hey, what's up guys, Matt Parr. In this video today, I'm going to be going over how you can make money on YouTube without even showing your face and without even recording videos. Yes, it is possible, and in this video here today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And the information that I'm giving you here today, I'm telling you this from experience. I run 9 different YouTube channels, 8 of which I have never shown my face, yet I'm still able to pull in over $30,000 a month from those YouTube channels. So I've actually broken down making money on YouTube without recording videos and without showing your face into 3 distinct steps that I'm going to be going over right now. So number 3 is choosing a niche. So first of all, you need to find a niche that you can make and upload videos in. And this has to be a niche in which you can make videos without showing your face. So for example, you could do a top 10 channel. Now top 10 channels are also referred to as list channels. And I'm sure you've seen channels like this on YouTube. For example, you might have seen channels that show the top 10 fastest cars, or the top 5 most shocking Guinness World Records. These are all examples of list videos, which are a perfect way to make money on YouTube without even showing your face and without even recording videos. Another great example of a niche is the health niche. For example, you could do videos such as the top 10 ways that drinking apple cider vinegar will help your health. And the key with choosing a niche is that you want to go as specific and as narrow as you possibly can. So for example, you might not want to do health as a whole general thing, but instead, maybe you want to do just vegan health, or you want to do ways to build muscle. These are great examples of what I like to call sub-niches, in which you niche down even further from that big broad niche of health, going into something more specific. Alright, now the second step is to create and upload content. So you're probably wondering, how am I going to get content if I'm not appearing on camera, if I'm not recording my face? Now there are so many different ways that you can go about doing this. One of the favorites that I like to do is just recording a voiceover. So all you have to do is record your own voice. And when I started off on YouTube, I had this really crappy iPhone that I used to use to record voiceovers, but at the time I was making $9,000 a month as a 16-year-old in high school. So this is definitely possible to do. But you need to record voiceovers, and like I said, you don't need any fancy equipment to do so. And then in a video editor, you can overlay clips that you'd like to use. Now, be careful with using clips. Don't just go take other people's clips and then upload them on YouTube. Make sure you have the permission to use those clips and you're following guidelines such as fair use. But one of the best things that I like to do is to go to free stock footage websites. So some examples of these are pexels.com and videvo.net. These are great examples of places where you can find completely free stock footage to use within your YouTube videos. And then you do a voiceover on top of those videos, and there you go. You have a video that you didn't even record yourself, but you are allowed to legally upload those videos onto YouTube and make money as a result from them. And that brings me to my third step, monetizing your YouTube channel. So you're probably wondering now, how in the world am I going to make money from my channel if I'm just uploading these random videos? Now there's several different ways you can make money and monetize your YouTube channel. One of which is the YouTube Partner Program. So you can take part in this when you have 4,000 hours of watch time across your entire channel and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Once you reach those milestones, you're able to join the YouTube Partner Program, in which YouTube will put ads on your videos, and you will be paid for every single view or ad impression that you get on those respective videos. Another great way to monetize your YouTube channel, even if you're not showing your face, is to promote affiliate products. Now you can find products like these on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Digistore24. You can find affiliate products to promote. So for example, if you're doing a health YouTube channel, you could find affiliate products like the best green juice that have an affiliate program. Sign up for those affiliate programs and then promote those in the link in the description of your YouTube videos, as well as putting that link in the pinned comment section of your YouTube videos. This is an amazing way to monetize your YouTube channel, and you don't have to wait to get those 4,000 hours of watch time or 1,000 subscribers to start making money right away and to start monetizing your YouTube channel right away. So as a conclusion, there are so many different ways to make money on YouTube. I hope I opened your eyes up in this video a lot as to all the different ways out there that you can start making money on YouTube. Most people think YouTube consists of doing what I'm doing right now, sitting before a camera and talking to the camera. That is not what YouTube is limited to. There's so many different ways to make content and make money from that content on YouTube. And I hope I made some light bulbs go off in your head, and I hope you realize that there are so many different ways to make money on YouTube. So like I said, my name is Matt Parr, and I am on a quest to help as many people as I possibly can replace their 9-to-5 jobs with income from YouTube channels. Like I said, I currently run 9 different YouTube channels, and I want to show people that this is possible. I went from a completely broke high school student to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube, and I want to show you how to do the same. So check out my website, mattparr.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.